JetBlue 1736, ILS 4 right.
JetBlue 1736, Kennedy Town, caution week 2 and 6 miles inshore of a heavy A330, wind 120 at 9er, runway 4 right, you're clear to land.
4 right, clear to land, JetBlue 1736.
JetBlue 1736, start reducing at this time for wake turbulence.
Slowing up, JetBlue 1736.
JetBlue 1736, cancel your approach, clearance, turn right heading 100, maintain 2,000 feet.
Cancel the approach 100, 2,000 feet, JetBlue 1736. And JetBlue 1736, we're going to be emergency fuel.
JetBlue 1736, roger. Contact New York, approach 135.9er and just advise.
359, JetBlue 1736. Approach JetBlue 1736, 2,100 heading, emergency fuel.
1736 New York approach and Kennedy altimeter 3010, Bravo's current.
We have Bravo, JetBlue 1736.
1736, confirm it was emergency fuel or minimum fuel?
Minimum fuel, thanks, JetBlue 1736.
There's two different for that for us, so we just want to make sure. So minimum fuel is, you are all right to accept 4 right again?
We can, JetBlue 1736.
1736, heading 130, maintain 2,000, expect ILS flight 4 right.
All right, heading 130, 2,000 for 4 right, JetBlue 1736.
JetBlue 1736, just verify you have ILS runway 4 right approach.
Correct, JetBlue 1736.
JetBlue 1736, turn right heading 200, contact approach 128.12.
200, 2812, JetBlue 1736.
Again, JetBlue 1736, just maintain 210 knots for now for the sequence there.
210 speed, JetBlue 1736. And what was the frequency for JetBlue 1736?
1736, 128.12.
Thank you. Approach JetBlue 1736, 2,000, 210 speed and 200 heading.
JetBlue 1736, flight heading 220, contact approach 132.4.
220 and 324, JetBlue 1736. Approach JetBlue 1736, 2,200 heading, or 200 knots and 220 heading.
JetBlue 1736, thank you, reduce speed to 180.
Speed 180, JetBlue 1736. And JetBlue 1736, we're at minimum fuel.
I got that, thank you. JetBlue 1736, turn right heading 270.
Right turn 270, JetBlue 1736.
JetBlue 1736, turn right heading 310.
Right turn 310, JetBlue 1736.
JetBlue 1736, turn right heading 010, 11 miles from Eddy, maintain 2,000 until established local logic, cut ILS runway 4 right.
010, 2,000, cleared ILS 4 right,
JetBlue 1736, reduce speed to 160, hold until 60 immediate towers 19-1.
160 over to the tower, JetBlue 1736. Tower JetBlue 1736, ILS 4 right, still mid fuel.
JetBlue 1736, 30 tower, following a Boeing 737, wind 120 9er, runway 4 right, clear to land.
4 right, clear to land, JetBlue 1736.
JetBlue 1736, Foxtrot, short of Yankee, let me know your gate number.
I just make that out. Heard Foxtrot for JetBlue 1736.
JetBlue 1736, just making it Foxtrot, Yankee, Yankee Alpha, short of 4 left.
Foxtrot, Yankee, Yankee Alpha, short of 4 left, JetBlue 1736.